Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get access to Sora 2. The first thing I want you to do is come here to this website openai.com/Sora and make sure you're from a supported country like the United States. If not, you'll have to use something like a VPN, right? And then you just come here, click on login. Of course, you can download on the app stores, Google Play Store as well. I'll click here on login, okay? And then they'll ask us to enter our birthday. So you can go ahead and do that. Now it's just verifying if we are a human. So let's go through this Cloudflare. After you enter your birth date, it will ask you to choose a username. So let's choose this one right here. Click here on next. And then let's wait for this to initialize. As you can see, we have access to Sora. Now for the new Sora 2, you need to enter the invite code. So click here and I'll enter my code. I'll tell you where I found this code so you can find your own codes as well. Okay, so you can try out my code. Hopefully not many people have claimed this after watching the video and you're still able to access it. So click here, join new Sora, and as you can see, we are getting redirected to Sora 2. You can find them on Discord, discord.com/openai. People post Sora codes here, or you can come to these mega threads on Reddit. Okay, they have so many codes being posted. Just go for the latest ones, just like these. That's where I actually got my code. So there we go. Can click here, get started. Let's pause this. And as you can see, it actually works. I do have access. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.